Our Bluetooth headsets.
So like anyone, or do you have one in mind?
Which one do you
Do
think?
you want like full face modular?
Modular.
Modular, so you want to open up?
And
So these
which
are,
one do you think has the best sound quality?
these are our Bluetooth ones. Sound quality is like a Sena 5. So it's pretty alright. You know, it doesn't do any like, you know, fancy things like mesh or anything like that. It's just gonna be basic, you know, communications, phone, music, passenger kind of thing.
What brand is that one?
So this one is, we have built ones. This one is the Sedici, no, the built one. This one's the Sedici. And then we have also the Shoei up there. We have the, what else? We have, these are all the modulars on the side. Now we can put Bluetooth on any helmet. So
With the headset?
yeah, so now the difference with that is the pros and cons would be, con being number one, like you wouldn't be able to just rip that out and get it fixed if something was to happen. You'd have to, the whole helmet would be without, you know,
Yeah,
part of
true.
it. Yeah, but you do get warranty on the one that we can put on for you. So warranty 2 years, so then in like the 23rd month you can come back in here with and get a brand new one.
Oh, wow.
No questions asked. We just, as
Well,
long as
that's
it's within
pretty
2
cool.
years.
So how much are these helmets? What's the price range?
So right now the Sistema 3, that's our newer modular for Sistema. That one with the Bluetooth is going to be $439. If you have membership, you get 10% off, 5% kickback. Okay. And then also we have the built ones, the Tecmo 3.0. Those are on sale right now for $299. Oh, those are not without Bluetooth though. And without Bluetooth.
Oh, that's without Bluetooth.
Yeah, with Bluetooth it's $319. So not too bad, just like about $20 difference.
So $499, $319. What about
Yeah,
the
with the
Shoei?
membership, you are going to get 10% off as well. Now for the Shoei, the Neotech, we don't have, let's see, Bluetooth in that one, but we can put one on for you. Let me see. Yeah, that's all we have for Shoei, and then we have the LS2 is a modular too, but we can order we want, or we can put one on there for you.
How much would
too.
it be like for, you know, Shoei with the Bluetooth?
Like Shoei
And-
with Bluetooth, so we have different Bluetooths over here we can put on your Shoei right here. So you can go Sena or you can go Cardo. Cardo is a popular brand. Okay. Sena is a popular one too, but in my 3 years I've sold more Cardos than Senas. Only because there's a certain group that like Senas, certain group that like Cardos, you know.
Well, what's the
Cardos just
difference in the
kinda work-
features?
Features, they kind of got the same features. It just depends. Like the new 60S has the features just like the Packtalk Edge, has the mesh, but it also has one up on them. It has the Wave Intercom. Wave Intercom is supposed to be a new feature, kind of like, you know, the Waze app.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's kind of like that, but for riders, right? So then, like, you can see your buddies where they're at, and then once you get in the vicinity of each other's microphones or systems, then you guys will just link up right away. So you can be up to like 20 people plus. Yeah,
Oh, just
so
talking automatically.
yeah,
you know.
so it's kind of like a chat room. So you can, the guy up there can tell everybody, hey, turn around because there's up there, you know.
Okay.
Hey,
That's,
it's a checkpoint, turn around. So yeah, so that's the Sena, that's the
so that
60S.
one's $341.
That one is now the, oh yeah, the one right here. No, it's $439. $439. Yeah, and then the double one. That just means there's 2 sets in there. That's $829. So there's always a dual pack to one of them, so that you know you and your passenger.
So
are talking.
these are much more price effective.
Yeah. Now you over here recording. Now you could get that instead. Now that's a good camera right there. You heard of the life? You heard of the 360?
Yes, I
Yes.
have.
Now that one has them. We also have the invisible selfie stick. So when you're recording, it looks like a drone's following you. You can't see the stick. So
Yeah, I was looking at those
yeah.
earlier
so
today,
we do
actually.
have that. I won't get one of those, but I don't.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we do have the
You have
4th,
these
and now
too.
there's the 5 system now. System 5.
So that's $629. That's the motorcycle bundle with the selfie stick and everything?
So I believe that's that's the bundle.
Okay.
Now, I think actually, yes, that's bundle. Now we have payment plan too, so you have in-store financing, so you can break things up for 12 months if you want to.
Wow.
Most people get approved.
0%?
Sometimes we run that promo 0% for 3 months, but honestly, it calculates it in there. We can look at the numbers and tell you exactly what it's going to be per choice: 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. I myself have like 7 open accounts. So. Because, you know, that's what we do.
So what about these $30 ones that are like on YouTube and stuff? You know what I mean? I see these like 200, 400, that's $600.
We don't have the $30 ones, but we do have basic ones here that are just as good as the ones that are in the helmets. So like these ones right here are only $99. That one's like $94 or $84. That's a basic one, but you know what? It just doesn't have the HD, so that's the difference
Okay.
between that one and the next one.
Oh, is it
That one
HD
is the
camera
same-
or sound?
HD sound. So
Okay.
it goes no HD, goes HD, then it goes, and it's also distance by distance. Then it goes, 2X is gonna be the JBL speaker start there. And then the 2X goes to the 4X. The 4X goes for a longer range. So this is like quarter mile.
Longer range to talk to other
Between
people?
other people, right.
Okay.
So this is like you passenger. This one would be like quarter mile, half mile, something like that. And then these ones are going 20 people and plus.
Wow.
So,
Okay, that's what that difference
yeah, so
is.
the best
Okay.
one here is going to be the Pack Talk Pro right now. Because Pro, actually, the one up on everybody is going to be the, the crash detection. So you can actually assign somebody. So if you go down by yourself and you're out there in the hills or something like that, it will go and let them know that, hey, you just went down. So they can go and
So
save
this
you.
is that one, but
That's
this is the one that has the waves.
That one has like the
way,
wave, right? It's like the wavelength, but that one's not out yet. They're working on it. It's coming out. So when it does come out, it'll be ready. Plus, this one has customizable plates, so you can customize the light. You can customize the color of the plate itself, which a lot of people like that they can't do with everything else. And then what's another one? We also have camera Bluetooths. You know, I think I have, or is it? Yeah. Then you have different Bluetooths, like this one's for Shoei. Shoei, you can't really see. Well, let me see. Let me try to. So this would be the Shoei for like the Bluetooth. See how it's like really sleek right there? Goes into it. Well, the helmet actually has a part like that pops out, and that just fits right in, so it looks real sleek. It doesn't look like there's a big bulky Bluetooth on it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that goes for certain helmets. Not
So
all of them.
Super 199 and less, RNHD,
Yes,
short
the cheapest
distance.
Bluetooth that I have here is honestly gonna be $99 because we don't have anything more basic than that.
Yeah. And then we got these, if you're a passenger. These up to a quarter mile.
Yeah, well,
These
are
can be like
quarter mile,
20
that
people.
half mile, and then
Okay.
that one is about 5 miles plus.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, I mean, not like you're not riding with each other no more, so I don't know.
So that's the difference.
Yeah.
And you recommend these over the helmets because if something goes wrong, you don't have to
We
get
have
rid of the whole
warranty
helmet.
here. Those they do too, but they would have to send the helmet, and I believe I'm not sure, but it's not it's good quality worth not having a warranty on it. So
Yeah.
I mean, we'll help you out as much.